Hello everybody, this is Montgomery, and I would like to dedicate this to YouTube user 90BAZ. This is a door closer. It's a script of a door closer and Alga doing fun, and I got this from 90BAZ off his little website. I love this one. I have another one too, a 90-degree hold open. I might show you that one in another video. Now, I adjusted this one so you can see sweeping lights better. I'm gonna try to open it a little more gentle because if I open it too fast or too hard, it'll go past that bolt. So there. Now let's watch. Now let's sit back and watch the closer. I set the sweet speed to go slow. I may be going a little bit too slow, so you can comment if you think it needs adjusting. So your sweep speed, you can see this how the sweep is slow. Then in a little bit it'll pick up then the light speed will speed up. Here's the latch speed. Let's do that again. Uh-oh. Aw. Hang on a second. I opened it a little too hard. There we go. I accidentally pulled it a little too hard. If the latch speed was very fast, it would go past this little dead bolt deal that helps stop the closer. We'll do it one more time for you. We'll try to open it gently. Here it goes. Here we go. I hope you liked it, and anyways, that's